Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Stewart Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our pre-owned 2014 Toyota Rav4. This is the limited all-wheel drive, has a brown exterior and a gorgeous beige leather interior. It was bought here and it has a clean car proof. Let's take a look inside. It has power windows with auto on the driver's side, power locks, 2 memory seats, door sill protectors. Driver's seat is power adjustable, and the passenger seat is manual adjustable. Power adjustable mirrors, the interior lights for the dash, traction control, locking differential, it's the power rear door. Steering wheel is leather wrapped, and it's tilt and telescopic adjustable. And you have steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. You also have a display here giving you the outside temperature, your trip, fuel economy, range left on the gas tank, your average speed, and then back to the odometer. It's a push button start, digital clock, makes that easy to change the hours and the minutes. Touchscreen display with navigation. You can customize this home screen. So you can have 3 panels or 2 panels and choose what you want in each one. You can just touch what you want and it will go to a full screen. That's a backup camera. And for your audio, it's AM, FM radio, CD player. It's Bluetooth and MP3 compatible. Auto climate control settings, and it's dual, so the driver and passenger can have different temperatures. Has air conditioning, rear defrost with timer, heated mirrors. Has 3 different drive modes. There's a normal drive mode, then eco mode, which saves you a bit on fuel, and sport mode enhances the acceleration. High and low settings for the heated front seats, windshield wiper deicer, USB and auxiliary ports, 12-volt accessory outlet. It's a good place to charge your phone. Automatic transmission with the manual mode. It's good for whenever you're towing. Decent sized glove box. An auto dimming review mirror. Then your interior lights and the settings for the power sunroof. 18-inch alloy wheels with wheel locks. Has a smart key entry system. Set of roof rails. Comes with the tow hitch. There's a release for the power rear door on your fob. Comes with the cargo liner. Second set of mats for the winter. A tunnel cover. In the back seat is the 60-40 split if you need more room. You can have 1 seat down or 2 seats down or all 3 down. And there's storage for that tunnel cover underneath. It has power windows, water bottle holders in the doors, pockets on the back of the driver and passenger seat, side curtain airbags. There's anchor points for the child car seats, and they get a center seat armrest with dual cup holders. The back seat is also reclinable. You can recline them using these levers here. The exterior mirrors are heated, power adjustable with the signal integrated lamps. It's an automatic headlight system, fog lights, so much more. Come see our pre-owned 2014 Toyota Rav4 Limited at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.